Welcome back to Car Review. Hello car enthusiasts. The 1955 Chevrolet Bel Air is a car that stands as an icon of 1950s Americana, representing a blend of elegant design, powerful performance, and modern innovation for its time. This first year of the second-generation Bel Air is renowned for its bold, fresh look, often referred to as the Tri-5 series, alongside the 1956 and 1957 models. The 1955 Bel Air's design was a departure from the more conservative styling of earlier models. Its sleek, curvaceous lines, wide chrome grille, and signature two-tone paint jobs gave it a distinctive and timeless presence on the road. The jet-inspired tail fins, wraparound windshield, and lush chrome accents added to its allure, making it a car that felt both luxurious and exciting. Under the hood, the 1955 Bel Air offered a range of engine options, most notably the introduction of the new 265 cubic inch small block V8, a revolutionary engine for Chevrolet. This engine helped set the stage for Chevrolet's reputation and performance, producing up to 180 horsepower in its top configuration, which was an impressive feat for the era. Coupled with a 3-speed manual or the optional PowerGlide automatic transmission, the Bel Air could easily deliver both smooth cruising and thrilling bursts of power. The interior of the 1955 Bel Air was equally striking, blending style and comfort. It featured luxurious vinyl upholstery, a spacious cabin with ample legroom, and a dash layout that was simple yet stylish, with easy-to-read gauges and chrome trim accentuating the elegance of the design. The car also boasted a range of options such as power windows, air conditioning, and even a signal-seeking AM radio, cutting-edge technology for its time. Driving a 1955 Bel Air was more than just transportation, it was a statement of class and a symbol of the post-war era's optimism. It represented freedom on the open road, a blend of craftsmanship and engineering that still resonates with collectors and enthusiasts today. Whether admired for its aesthetics, respected for its performance, or cherished for its place in automotive history, the 1955 Chevrolet Bel Air is truly a masterpiece of mid-20th century design and engineering. Thanks for watching, guys, and subscribe my YouTube channel for more exciting car reviews and content. See you next time.